This is the new 2024 Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Let's have a look. The interior is a black Alcantara leather with red stitching to contrast the Bianco Monocerus exterior. Lamborghini originally planned to only make 1,063 Sterratos. The production actually got up to 1,499. These have a 5.2-liter V10 engine with a 0 to 60 speed of 3.4 seconds. The top speed is 162 miles per hour. Sterrato is actually Italian for dirt road. These are lifted, wider, they come with a roof rack and rally lighting. This customer upgraded his look with a set of Brixton forged TR04 wheels.